Hello and welcome to Frey Tire Company. Today this video will be covering video conferencing. Here at Frey Tire we do use video conferencing and you need to know how it all works. To begin, we must know what video conferencing is. Video conferencing is an online technology that allows our employees all around the United States to come face to face and have meetings without being in the same room. This helps us stay connected here at Frey Tire. But why do we use video conferencing here? At Frey Tire, we have 5 reasons why. We use it to stay connected with employees no matter where they are. It is much easier to have meetings without doing business travel. It also keeps our employees safe in the world today with COVID-19, since everyone will be in different places, saving them from spreading germs. Using video conferencing, we can do training without being in the Frey Tire building. Lastly, video conferences can be done on many devices such as computers, phones, tablets, and more. Video conferencing has a lot of benefits here at Frey Tire, so let's go through some of them. With video conferencing, we can utilize it in many ways, like having meetings, making business deals, and more. Again, using video conferencing helps keep our employees safe and from getting COVID-19. Our teams have access to meetings at any time without traveling. With today's technology, using videos can keep us up to date with the tech. Then lastly, it improves our communication here because all employees can speak on video conferences. Since we have spoken all about video conferences, employees need to know proper etiquette when it comes to videos. For the end of our training here, we will go over Frey Tire's video etiquette all employees need to use. 1. Mute yourself when not speaking. 2. Be on time for the video call or video conference. Wear our business clothing. 4. Have lighting on your face so everyone can see you clearly. And 5. Make sure your background is clean. Here at Frey Tire, we want you to succeed in video conferencing. Thank you for your time, and today's training on video conferencing is over.